pointers in the paddock, ain't my piece. A push a P. Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace. Got a spot at cross spot. Jeff a P.
Hey guys, what's up? So today is on Saturday. Since sometimes, I think, was it on Tuesday, I haven't touched the camera. What I wanted to get, I didn't manage to get. I wanted to get flower vases and flowers for me in what's that place called? I always forget the name. Jeez. City Market. I always forget that name. Anyway, I didn't manage to go all the way to City Market. But as I said, today is on Saturday, so I want to make lasagna. I found this recipe. I have checked out I think about 4 channels this far, from Susie's channel to Chef Raphael's. By the way, if you're looking for amazing recipes for your families, check out those channels. Anyway, back to the story. I want to go make lasagna, and yeah, this week I haven't been feeling so well. As you remember, I said I had cramps and all that, so I didn't leave the house for 2 days. No, 3 days. Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So today being a Saturday, I decided to go, and before I even get to the recipe, I went to Marikiti again. This is the 2nd week. The last time I was there is 2 weeks ago, so today is the 2nd week, I would say. So yeah, I got my warus. I wish I had a recipe that I was making with warus today, because those warus have made me I'm tired because carrying warus and zilikuwa vitu kadhaa I had to go get. So I got warus, carrots, I got cucumbers, I got tomatoes, I got oranges, I got lemons, I got anywho's. Let me see what's in the kitchen, because I've already unpacked. I got pineapples and all that. Let's go to the kitchen and then show you just quickly, and then do the recipe with you guys, so you can also learn from me or from those other channels how to make your lasagna. This is the first time I'm actually attempting to make lasagna, and if that's not the pronunciation, please forgive me. I'm not Italian, I'm just a mother trying to make food for her family. If that makes sense. So let's go make that recipe together. So I decided to get very many oranges this time round. I got ones that were going for 300 bob. All these are oranges because I want to make fresh juice. Anyway, that's the reason. And then some lemons. A lot, by the way. The lemons are so, and 5 were going for 10 bob. So yeah, and then avocados. This avocado one was going for 25 bob. Some pineapples, some spinach, there's something else, some broccoli. I have some broccoli here in this paper, some carrots, some bananas. This is a whole door of waru. This is now the perfect size that I love. No, ni kubwa, by the way. So this was going for 600, ndo kubwa, the big one. And then I have 200 bob minjis. I have 20 bob, yeah. I have this that were going for, I think, 130 this time round. And I have maize and more cucumbers. Here you know, I got a kilo of this and a kilo of this. This time round, this kilo of the yellow and the red was going for 200 bob. Imagine. And this were going for 80 or 70. And 2 kilos of this 70. So that's about it. And of course tomatoes that were going for, I got ones that were going for 10 bob each. So zingine ziko huko ndani. That's it. Anyway, let's make our lasagna. So here I have my 1 kg of ground beef, but this is not beef. Hii ni nyama ya mbuzi. So this is goat meat. These are my sheets. These are my cheese. This is, I've never tried this cheese by the way. This is like the first time I have. It actually says vegetarian, and I have meat. Quite in Thai check. I have my milk. More milk is coming because I need a whole liter of milk. And then I have my tomatoes. I have my vegetables. So let's start cooking. This is everything that I'm going to need from start to finish. So follow along. And yeah, I had help from my sister-in-law. She's Bella. I know Bella, you're watching this, so thank you so much for making this video a success. I appreciate you, girl. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's continue cooking.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says.
So I decided to use this gadget that I've never used before to chop carrots. And honestly, it's one of the best things that I love having in the kitchen. It makes work very, very easy. As you'll see, the size that it chopped those carrots, amazing, amazing. Though it was a bit hard trying to see how the carrot is going to fit, but I figured it out anyway. Finally, and honestly, I was very, very, very happy. Which is why I love collecting some items that I will eventually learn how to use. So I had to like hit so that it could work, because it was very hard. I think this one is meant to do soft stuff, though it worked still, and I was kind of happy. So this one I got from Best 9 supermarket for I think around 900 bob. I can link the video where I got this from. You can watch the video and maybe go get it yourself. See the size, amazing.
options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my body, my body says, my mind, and my heart.
For these spices, you can add as many as you want or as little as you want. If you do not like spices at all, skip this process altogether. And also, if you love peppers, this is the best time to add your peppers. And yeah,
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my body, my body says, my mind, and my heart, my body.
if you're honestly enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and comment down below if you're enjoying the recipe.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time.
So now let's make our white sauce. This is very, very, very important as well. Into a pot, you're going to melt some butter, and then you're going to take 1 cup of flour. This is all-purpose flour, ile unga ya chapati. And then you're going to mix this together, and then finally you will add your 1 liter of milk. And that's just about it. Wait for it to boil so that it can be ready, and then it's ready.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my body, my body says, my mind, my body.
do not forget to add some salt to taste, because this is as plain as it gets. If you do not spice it up kidogo, the lasagna will taste so bad. So yeah, usisahau kuongezea kachumvi kidogo. So now to our stew, it's ready. Ukiongezea tu dania tu hivyo and then stir kidogo, it's ready. Zima and then put it aside to cool off, and everything is now ready. We wait for about 5 minutes to combine everything in pans and casseroles if you have them. Now I decided to use this particular one, the black one, hiyo ni ile yenye inakujaga na cooker, because I didn't have a bigger casserole, which I'm obviously going to invest in, because this it's best made with casseroles instead of these pans. So let's layer everything together.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says
very nice experience for me, since I've never ever done lasagna, but I've eaten lasagna before, so I know how it tasted, but I never knew how to make it. So this was the first time making it, and it was pretty easy, I would say. You only need the ingredients that you probably see in this video, or you can Google or go to YouTube, search for lasagna recipes, and you will see so many recipes that you'll be spoiled for choice. So yeah, I was glad my sister-in-law has made this before, which is why she was helping me here, as you've seen. And yeah, Bella, thank you so much. This was so amazing, and the kids loved it, as you recall. And yeah, really, trying out new recipes for me is something that I love doing, and the kids also love the recipes. The entire family, in fact. So yeah, you should also try to make something new every once in a while for your family or for yourself. You do not have to have a family to make certain recipes. So yeah. If any of the sheets remain, please do not throw them away. Put them in an airtight container, as you see me doing here, and then store it for use if you need them the next time you want to make such or something else that needs the sheets. So yeah, after you've layered everything together, make sure you cover with a cling film, well, an aluminum film, sorry, not a cling film, aluminum film. And then set your oven to 150 degrees Celsius, either between 150 and 180, whichever you choose. If you do it at 180, it will cook faster. If you do it at 150, it will be a bit slow. So depending with you. So mine, I think I set mine at 180 and then waited for 45 minutes for it to be ready. And yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I will be sure to see you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching and getting to the end of this video with me. I appreciate you cooking with me, by the way. I haven't mentioned that. So yeah, till my next video, bye guys.